Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Professor Kamlesh Jadhav. Today, I am going to discuss about the types of selection test. In earlier videos, we have discussed about what is meant by the selection. So, selection is the process of differentiating between the applicants in order to identify and hire those with a greater likelihood of success in a job. It means that the unsuitable candidates once are avoided, we can select the appropriate candidates for that particular jobs. Next is what is meant by job selection test. Selection test is a device that uncovers the information about the candidate which is not known through application, blank and interview. In this way, selection test is an adjunct to a selection method. If we see the definition of the definition of a selection test, a test is a systematic procedure for comparing the behavior of two or more persons. So, majorly the selection tests are divided in two categories, that is ability test and personality test. See, this is the classification of selection test. First one is ability test and second one is personality test. In ability test, first one is aptitude test, second one is achievement test, third one is intelligence test, fourth one is judgment test. And in personality test, first one is interest test, second is personality test, third is projective test, and last one is attitude test. So we will discuss one by one. First is aptitude test. Aptitude test measure ability and the skills of the testee. These tests measure and indicate how well a person would be able to perform after training and not what he or she has done. Thus, aptitude tests are used to predict the future ability or performance of a person. There are two objectives of the aptitude test. First one is to advise youth or job seekers regarding field of activities in which they are likely to succeed. This is also called as vocational guidance. And the second objective is to select best persons for the jobs where they may succeed. This test is also called as vocational test. Specific aptitude tests have been designed to measure the special ability to perform jobs. For example, mechanical aptitude test, clerical aptitude test, musical aptitude test, management aptitude test, etc. Then second one is achievement test. Achievement test measure a person's potential in a given area or job. In other words, these tests measure what a person can do based on skills or knowledge already acquired by him. Achievement tests are usually used for admission to specific courses in the academic institutions. Then third one, intelligence test. Intelligence test measure general ability for intellectual performance. The core concept underlying in intelligence test is mental age. It is presumed that with the physical age, intelligence also grows. Exceptions to this may be there. So, if a 5-year-old child does the test for 6 years or above, his mental age would be determined accordingly. Mental age is generally indexed in terms of intelligent quotient and calculated by a formula, that is IQ is equal to mental age divided by actual age into 100. It means that intelligent quotient is the ratio of mental age to actual age multiplying by 100. The next is judgment test. These tests are designed to know the ability to apply knowledge in problem solving. So these are the 4 tests that comes under ability test. Then we will discuss about the personality test. In personality test, first one is interest test. These tests are designed to discover a person's area of interest and to identify the kind of work that will satisfy him. Interest test is a prerequisite to successfully perform some task. These tests owe their origin to the occasional efforts. The most widely used interest test is CUDR reference record. Then second category is personality test. These tests are also known as personality inventory. These tests are designed to measure the dimensions of personality, that is personality tests such as interpersonal competence, dominance, submission, extroversion, introversion, self-confidence, ability to lead and ambition. Then next one is projective test. Projective tests are based on pictures or incomplete items. The testee is asked to narrate or project his own interpretation on these. The way the testee responds reflects his or her own values, motives, attitude, apprehensions, personality, etc. These tests are called projective because they induce the testee to put himself into the situation to project or narrate the test situation. Then next category is attitude test. These tests are designed to know the testee's tendencies towards favoring or otherwise to people, situation, actions, and a host of such other things. Attitudes are known from the responses of testees or respondents because of emotional overtones involved make it difficult to directly observe or measure attitude of the testee. Test of social desirability, authoritarianism, study of values and employees' moral are well known examples of attitude test. So these are the types of job selection test. Thank you.